The path to success? Why one size doesn't fit all. Many people follow the same advice, read the same books, and apply the same strategies. Yet only a few succeed. You may have seen this in your own life. Someone tries to copy another person's path, step by step, yet they fail to achieve the same results. Why does this happen? The answer lies in something deeper than just effort or technique. It lies in life purpose. Every person is born with a unique mission. No teacher, mentor, or guide can live our experiences for us. They can provide wisdom, but the journey itself is ours alone. We often think we have complete free will, but in reality, we have choices. The universe presents us with options, but the ultimate direction of our journey is shaped by our inner calling. When we listen to our heart, we align with this purpose effortlessly. We not only achieve success, but we also feel truly fulfilled. There is no shortcut to personal growth, and no one can walk our path for us. This is why some individuals succeed in a particular field, while others struggle because their energy, desires, and deeper mission are not in alignment with that path. Someone may achieve external success, but feel empty inside, while another, who follows their true calling, experiences deep joy and satisfaction. So what is more important, visible success or inner happiness? Science and spirituality both confirm that everything is energy. Einstein and modern physics have shown that what we perceive as solid matter is actually vibrating energy. We too are energy fields, constantly emitting vibrations that shape our reality. Like a radio transmitting on a specific frequency, we attract people, opportunities, and experiences that match our inner state. This is why someone who radiates confidence and trust in life will draw positive experiences, while someone consumed by fear and self-doubt will attract more of the same. The good news? We can change our vibration. By cultivating gratitude, presence, and inner peace, we naturally align with a higher frequency, one that brings more joy, abundance, and meaningful opportunities into our lives. Many people chase external success, believing it will bring happiness. But often, the excitement of the journey, the anticipation, and energy we invest brings more joy than the final achievement itself. A successful entrepreneur once said, "The happiest day of my life was the day before I bought my dream car." This shows us something profound. True fulfillment comes not from external accomplishments, but from being in alignment with what genuinely brings us joy. So how do we know if we are on the right path? The answer is simple. When we feel deep excitement, peace, and a sense of purpose, we are aligned with our true journey. If we are chasing a goal simply because it seems impressive or desirable to others, it may not be our path at all. Take a moment. Tune into your inner self. If all external expectations disappeared, what would truly make you happy? That is your real path. Are you ready to follow it? True success is not about following someone else's path. It's about walking the one meant for you.